Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and identity. This saves time. Replace the remote batteries now, and then turn the Hisense TV on from the set. Once done, locate the TV model number or Open Settings System so you know which code family to try. Next, lay out the universal remote manual or app and find the TV code list. This gives you the options to program. Make sure the remote is pointed at the IR sensor. You will need a clear line of sight to test codes. Now you program the remote. You can enter a Hisense code directly. Press the remote's TV key, type the 3 or 4-digit code, then press power to check. If that fails, use auto search, hold setup until the LED stays lit, then repeatedly press power or channel up until the TV reacts, and press enter to lock it. Once a code works, verify volume, input, and menu functions because some codes control power but not audio. If everything responds, you've completed the mid-stage. Finish by saving the learned code. Press setup or enter as the manual directs so the remote stores the pairing. Then run a full test, cycle inputs, adjust volume, open the menu. This confirms full control. If something stops working, first replace batteries and repeat the code search. If problems persist, reset the universal remote to factory, then reprogram. Sometimes one code group conflicts, so try alternate codes listed. Finally, keep the remote aimed at the TV and avoid obstacles that block the IR beam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.